Good morning. Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. It's Mugore here from the village, Nyabuhanse village, all the way around Marwa's village. Today, I want to show you what I love doing most. As you have been watching my videos, you have seen that I like farming and I like keeping some few chicken just to support my life, to support my living, yeah, so that I can have something to put on my table, on the table. So today have come to show you my kitchen garden here, what I love doing every day. I love farming and planting different vegetables. As you can see here, this one is a young growing vegetable. We call it in our language makobe, and in Swahili we call it kunde. This is the stage, but it is not ready to be harvested. It is still growing, yeah. And we plant in rows, yeah. The next one, this one is kale, a young kale that is still growing. We have started harvesting some leaves, yeah, up to here. But from here, this is a very young one. It's still growing. It is yesterday that I was weeding, and planning to buy some few kgs of fertilizer we put so that it can grow. In our village here, we thank God there were no rains in some few, like 1 month ago. We didn't experience any rain here, but in some few days ago we have been experiencing and receiving good rains here. That's why I'm taking the advantage to plant as many as possible kales, so that when it disappears, maybe I'll have more that I can sell to my customers. Yeah, this is a good season, long rains. But I don't know what happened. Things have changed nowadays. When we are expecting rains, we don't get them. But when it comes, we take that full opportunity so that we can plant and use that opportunity to grow vegetables and food. Yeah, this one is a new farm. I haven't yet planted. Yeah, I'm planning to plant something today. I'm thinking of a different crop that I will put here, so that I can intercrop. I don't want to plant only one vegetable. And some customers around, they really love vegetables, different vegetables. You cannot eat sukuma wiki alone every day. Every day it will be boring. So this one is managu. We call them managu. Very delicious when you eat. When you cook it well, it is very, 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 very delicious. As you can see, yeah, it is organic. I was putting the manure. As you can see, the black thing, it is a manure fertilizer from the burning ash of sugarcane. Yeah. So guys, here I just partitioned. My neighbor had planted the sugarcane. Then I requested to plant one or two so that I can be eating when I'm weeding or planting vegetables here. So it is not yet matured, but it will take, like, maybe in December you'll see me eating here sweet sugarcane here. Yeah, this one, this row, I want to replace it. As you can see, the weeds have invested here. I want to prepare it and plant some new crops here, new vegetables. Yeah, the old one I will remove them and get the new one. Yeah, here in this row, you see, I decided to mix sukuma wiki and some other vegetables inside, so that to utilize this space well. Yeah, I can see they are intercropping very well, very well. And this one here, today or tomorrow, I will start preparing it so that I can put some vegetables there. This one are old. The one I told you, it is kunde. I mixed it with nuts. As you can see, there are a few nuts there I was mixing them with, and some few 2 or 3 maize plants there. So this one is managu. Managu, very healthy, very good, very beautiful. We were doing it with my mother, and today, maybe today, she will come and harvest some few so that we can eat. Yeah, guys, there is no way I can decide to sleep when I look at this world. We have a lot of opportunities. Yeah, this is a pumpkin. We feed on the leaves. My mom comes, picks some leaves, she goes and prepares them. We eat, and when the fruits comes, we usually prepare it. Mom cooks them for us, we eat. Yeah, the other side here, I decided to put some bananas. Hope it will grow well and give us bananas to cook. Here I put a small line of bananas, as you can see up there. Yes guys, support my YouTube, kindly enjoy watching as I'm working hard here to put something on the table. I don't want to be a lazy man around, just moving like maybe I can describe it a lazy man. Yeah? My late dad didn't teach us to be lazy. Yeah, this one is what we are eating right now, this small kale here. It is very good. I sprayed some pesticide some 3 days ago. That's what I was doing here, guys. Yeah, welcome anyone who is around here in Nyabansi village. You can come, I give you some kales so that you can enjoy. Yeah, this one is almost becoming mature, but it has not put the fruit. Yeah. So guys, since we have some few cows, I decided that their waste, I'll be bringing them here so that they can decay. After they are ready, I will spread them to my kitchen garden so that it can operate or act like a fertilizer. I love doing this one, the natural one, not from the agrovets, but this one I like it from direct from the cows. I don't put it direct on the crops. I will wait it so that it can decay, can rot. I mix it with some kitchen waste, then it becomes very powerful. Yeah, so guys, feel motivated. Yeah, this is what I do. Love doing this one. Feel motivated and let us work as a village boys. Yeah, I don't want to move around just drinking alcohol around. No. I don't drink liquor. I love working every day. Every day I'm on my farm. Yes guys, as we have told you, these long rain seasons. People here, others, they plant maize. We plant maize here, and then after 6 months or 5 months, the maize become ready. We harvest. As you can see here, this one's is my small farm for maize that I'm trying, so that by the end of the season, I don't want to beg for food. I loved it when I said I want to prepare now for few sacks that I'll be feeding me, my siblings, and my mom. So guys, thank you for supporting me. Kindly subscribe, share, watch the video, and comment. Yeah, thank you. May God bless you. Here it is in the morning. It is just 9 a.m. Yeah, and we want to go on with the works. Thank you guys. God bless you.